be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, this is one that kind of snuck up on me. I didn't even know about this release, but when I saw them, and then I did some of the back research on these bad boys, I said, I'm going to go ahead and cop them. And not only did I cop them, but I also got them in the unicorn size. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into these, man. These are the Adidas Forum High cuts and slices. Alright, and I got these bad boys in a size 13.5, as I just showed you. Alright, and the colorway is white, red, and something else I don't understand. Alright, so we'll get into that. But as you can see, this is a different Forum box. Okay, this is gray. And it says Adilicious on the side there. And then this band that goes along the top, Adilicious. Adidas logo there. What's on the back? The Adidas logo. Anything on the bottom? Nothing on the bottom. Alright, so this is a different presentation. It says Adilicious established 2022. This is a new campaign that Adidas has. It looks like it's representing a bunch of different restaurants and things around the world. So we'll go ahead and get into this one, man. Take the slide out box off. Okay, put that to the side. And before we get into the shoes themselves, you can see on the paper, it has the Adidas logo and then the cuts and slices logo. Alright, and you can see it's like a slice of pizza. So Cuts and Slices is a restaurant, from my research, that is in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, New York. And it is a pizza shop, and it's not your typical pizza shop. They sell some like soul food kind of like pizza. I saw a shrimp and Alfredo kind of like pizza, and jerk chicken and things like that. All kind of good soul food pizzas. Things that you would be like, man, should that go on the pizza? But when I went to the page and I saw it, I said, I want a slice of every single pizza that they have here. Just a slice. Just give me one full pizza, maybe two full pizzas of every flavor here, right? But it looked really good, so one day I might have to make a trip to New York and get a slice or five. But anyway, man, let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. As you can see, my Brooklyn legends here, Jay-Z, Biggie Smalls, Shit Your Draws. Let's go ahead and get into this. Are they individual? Yes, they are individually wrapped, just like forums are. Okay, individually wrapped. Let's go ahead and get into it. Woo! Yeah. Yes. Oh, they dented my boys up. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. And what I said about they dented my boys up, if you look right here in the front, it looks like they got smashed up or something. The toe box. Let me see if there's no paper in this bag. Nope, no paper in there. That's why it looks crazy like that. Let me pull that up a little bit. That looks crazy that they didn't put no paper in there. That's the first time I've gotten some Adidas and they didn't have the paper in there. But that tongue in the toe box area is really soft, but my tongue is all smashed in there like that. That's crazy. But anyway, moving right along. These are the cuts and slices. Adidas Forum High. All right. And the leather quality on these bad boys is nice. It is very nice. Normally on the back of forums, you have this kind of like it's usually like a gray suede. I say that, and of course the one that I have out is also a leather back. But you all have seen the forums before. You've seen my reviews. It's usually like a gray suede there on the back. Kind of like this here. Kind of like that here. So it's a little bit different on these. That's the first thing, other than my tongue being like that, that I noticed. Yes, sir. You got your little pull tab here for Cuts and Slices Pizzeria. That's what that says there. Cuts and Slices Pizzeria. It says pull up, beloved. There on the tongue. On the back, Cuts and Slices again. All right. And then as you can see up here, this is the address. So if you are watching this video and you live in the area and you're like, man, I really want to try some of those Cuts and Slices pizza, this is the address. 93 Howard Ave, Brooklyn, New York, 11233. All right. So if you want to go test it out, this is where you go. Now, I know that these are representing the Cuts and Slices pizzeria here, and it's very dope shoe, man. Nice shoe. But I can't help but look at this and notice that it looks like the slices portion of it represents like meats. I didn't see that when I researched on the site, but I did see a lot of pizza. But I'm seeing these colors and it kind of looks like, you know, before you cook the meat, how raw meat looks. Some of the darker colors here, and then you got your tans and the, you know, the browns on the inside here. Looking at the colorway of this shoe just made me think about these. The Air Max Bacon. All right, very similar colors in these shoes. All right, and of course this is supposed to represent how, you know, bacon looks, but very similar colors on this one. Very similar colors. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything extra in here. I don't see any extra. Oh, yes I do. Yes I do. Yes I do. White laces on the inside here. So you got your brownish kind of tan laces that come in the shoes already, and then you get a pair of white laces that come additionally. All right, and then let's take the strap down, put the laces to the side. Is there anything under the strap? No, nothing under the strap. Good quality on it though. Once again, that says pull up, beloved. They're really inviting you. They're really inviting you to come get a slice or two, right? They give you the address. They tell you to pull up. So pull up, come get you a slice. That's what they're telling you to. Cuts and Slices. Like, go get you a slice. That's what they're advertising here. All right, now let's see on the tongue. On the tongue, on the back, you have your regular Adidas logo. And then on the front, Cuts and Slices Pizzeria. All right. On the inside, let me unlace it just a little bit more so I can show you this, because the insole also, I done gave myself a knot there, but the insole also has some more things on it. So Cuts and Slices, you can see the logo there, but it has 93 Howard Ave repeated. On the inside, I hope you all can see, Cuts and Slices Pizza logo, 93 Howard Ave on the inside. So they really are telling you, go get you a slice or two. Pull up to the pizzeria and get you a slice or two, man. You got to go get you a slice. All right, now that little crease that's in there will probably go out as I wear them, but it's irritating me right now. I'm not going to send them back or anything because they're not available. They're sold out. So if I sent this back, I just lost the pair. But it is irritating me right now that came like that. Like they didn't put any paper like they normally do inside of this shoe. All right, but I do like the colors on these. These are different in comparison to some of the previous forms that I have. Like, I'm trying to look around. Most forms that I have are pretty much like this. They have some color on the stripes. They have some color up there. Maybe you get some on the bottom, but it's usually just pretty much like this, right? All the ones that I have are pretty much that way. But this one's a little bit different. It's different that it has color on the toe box. I'm trying to look around at my other forums. They're all pretty much the same. You got a different color tongue here. You got a different color toe box. This is different on the back. The wraparound is all different. It's not white. We got double color here on the sides. You got a red and then that burgundy. That's why I say it kind of looks like meat, like a bacon. Like, and then you got the brown up here, the brown at the top, brown here. This is a different color. As far as the colors and the vibrancy of different shades of colors, I didn't even mention the midsole here is like an off-white. And then look at the outsole. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. It's brown. All brown with all the Adidas logos going down there, as you can see. They knocked it out the park with this. I really like the different colors and different shades to represent, to me at least, I don't know this to be fact, but to represent the different meats and everything that you can get on your pizza, or to just represent the pizzeria in general. I like these a lot, man. These are very dope, and I would say if you can find them, because it does appear that they are going to release these on the Foot sites this coming week. I believe I saw them coming on Foot Locker pretty soon. So if you can get them, I would highly recommend them. These are dope. These are a different take on forums, and this is something that I've been wanting. I said, man, maybe the forums need to have a little more color. The forum highs, not the lows or the mids or anything, but the highs have been typically just all white and the different, colors like that. But these are different. These are different right here, man. I like these a lot. So I highly recommend these. Hopefully yours don't come without paper, because this is what happens when they don't have paper to hold them up there. But I highly recommend these, man. These are dope. Before I let you all go, I do want to check the right one real quick to see if there's anything else on that one. I'm not going to make it a big deal. Let's just see if I pull this one out. Is there another lace or anything in there? Nope. Nope. Identical. Identical. Also no paper in that one either. Just not as much of an indentation on that one. Alright, so I'm going to just put those back. Wrap those back up. Is there any other hidden goodies in the box? Other than the fact that on the bottom, Adilicious. Alright, all the way through on the box. So they did switch it up a little bit and do some different designs on this particular shoe. And that shows you that this is a special edition Adidas form. Alright. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Pull up, get you a slice. Peace.